In the name of God. This is a tutorial for the Mirkab software. In this guide, we'll go through how to register and start using the application. First, go to the Mirkab website at mirkab.com. From there, go to the download section. You can also access the Mirkab section through the main menu. In the download area, you'll find installation files for both Windows and macOS. Choose the version that matches your system and download it. After the download is complete, install the software. Once the installation is finished, the program icon will appear on your desktop. Double-click the icon to open the program. When running the program for the first time, you'll need to register. Scroll down to find the registration form. Fill in a valid email address and a password of your choice. Then click the button to create your account. A confirmation email will be sent to the address you provided. Open the email and click the confirmation link. If you try to log in before confirming your email, the program will block your access, so make sure to complete the confirmation step first. Once your email is confirmed, you can return to the program and log in. You may need to close and reopen the app, or click the refresh button inside the program. After logging in, you can start using Mirkab and explore its features. If you forget your password, click the Forgot Password button on the login page. Enter your email and click the button to receive a recovery link. Check your email for the password reset message. Click the link, and a temporary password will be generated for you. Copy this password quickly, as the page may close after a few seconds. Go back to the program and paste the temporary password to log in. To change your password, go to your profile settings. Click on Change Password, enter the temporary password as your current one, and choose a new password. Confirm and update. Now you're ready to use Mirkab.